Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will show you how you can create free YouTube intro, super quick, super easy, absolutely free, and you can also do it if you don't have any assets or footage. So let's get into it. Now let's head to canva.com. I will leave the link in this video description so you can come and create an account absolutely free. And if you would like to enjoy Canva's Premium Pro version, you can also do it free for 30 days. So there are two ways how you can get started. You can get started and you can do your YouTube intro even if you don't have any assets, meaning if you don't have any footage, you don't have any videos of yourself, you just need quick YouTube intro without using any of your own footage. So you can come here and search for YouTube intro, and you will see 1597 templates you can get started. So you can see some of them are already niche specific. It will gonna help you, you know, if you know your niche and you see something that relates to your niche, you can just come here and start editing one of these templates. Okay, now if you want to start from absolutely free and you have done maybe something on Canva before, you can always go ahead and click on a blank intro template and just start it from the scratch. So let's say for a purpose of today's tutorial we will be using a gaming channel as an example. So as you can see, some of these are already for the gaming channel intros. It's a really quick one. So let's go ahead and choose maybe, I don't know, something like this. Now you want to load this template. You will see you have 3 pages. On each of them are 3 seconds long, meaning your total length of your intro will be 9 seconds. So if you click on this page right here and then you come on this button right here, you can just play to preview how it looks all together. Okay, so let's close it to escape. Now to get started and adjust the timing, let's say you only want 2 seconds for each of these pages. If you click on this timing right here, you can then click on the seconds, and then maybe you only want 2 seconds long. Okay, if you click enter, it will apply 2 seconds for this particular page, and you can just click on done. Again, you can go ahead and change all of these pages. Now if you want to obviously change your text, you would click on it and then you just double click and start writing welcome to. So we can leave welcome to, and this would be your channel name. Let's say we're gonna call it as Merit Gaming. Okay, and then on the last page you can insert your logo. If you currently don't have any logo, you can come on the template and search for logo. Okay, and then you see some of the logos, a circle logo for example, you can just take it out of this page. So let's say if we click on this video, it currently gives us videos for the YouTube intros. Okay, you can just copy out this element and paste it on another page. If you want to change background of these videos, again you can just simply click on it and you can delete it. Now you have blank black one. Then you can come on the elements or on the photos, and maybe you can search for something like a purple gradient. Okay, you can select this and again just drag and drop. Everything is instant preview and you can just drag and drop your element. Okay, now you have changed the background of this particular page. Okay, so you can adjust all the text, all the elements, add some new ones if you would like to, and you can do it on the separate pages, add more pages right here. And once you have done with all of your editing, you can simply come on the share button right here and you have several options. Okay, so most likely you would like to download it as MP4 video. When you select all the pages, it will gonna just create one file as a one continuous video, and once you download, you will see your file downloading on your computer and it will just play all together. Now one thing that I would like to show you here, if you click on this add icon right here, you can add transition. So if you click on this, you can see transitions available for your page transition, so from the page to the page. So currently there are no transition, so let's put like dissolve on this one, and then you can click right here and add another transition on another page. So maybe we want a circle wipe. Okay, so again you can just click here to preview and you will see how your video looks all together. Okay, you see these transitions now are applied on your video. Now, as I said, you can also use your own footage. So this is the way how you can just come on Canva. You can again come on the videos and search maybe for gaming, and you don't like this video of gaming. If you search for another gaming video, again you can see somebody who holds computer or just play a game. You can obviously search here and find the one you like. You can see this video is right here. Okay, so you can just replace this video. You can delete this video from here. Okay, and then you can add something else. So maybe I would just like to add, I don't know, one of the top videos right here, and then just position it. So if you put this video right here, it comes where was the previous one, but of course you can edit it, you can change it, you can drag and drop position, and you can also change the length of this video. So currently it's like over 13 seconds. So essentially I would say you don't want your intro to be much longer than 5 to 10 seconds, simply because you want to move on into your video. You don't want to really create such a long intros for your YouTube videos. Okay, people's attention span is really short these days. So if you have your own footage that you would like to include right here, if you come on upload tab right here, you can upload media directly from your computer. Okay, so whatever you have, if you have any images, logos or videos, you can upload it right here, and then you can access them right here from the upload tab. So let's say I have some images I would like to insert here. Okay, so I have Merit Mastering Tutorials logo, for example, right here. So if I delete this text, I can then maybe click on this image, and I would like to be more darker. So if you click on the image and then go on the filters, you can apply preset filter, or you can just simply scroll down and reduce the brightness so my text shows a bit better. Okay, so let me just make it a bit longer, larger right here, and again increase the contrast of this. Okay, so you can just play around and create your video intro the way how you want, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to use any of the premium products. You can just get it done everything with the free elements. There are enough elements on Canvas you can use. Okay, so if you would like to add some more text, you can come on the text tab right here. You again have some preset text styles, or you can just simply, if you come on your video where you have some text, you can simply copy and paste and then drag it again and add something else right here. Okay, by applying the same font that is already on this text element. Okay, so you have options how to play around, and again it will gonna play all together once you download it. If you want to maybe only play and use only first page or first 2 pages, you can come just right here again, and if you click on download as MP4, you can select specific pages you want to download. Okay, so that's how you can get your YouTube intros, also outros, and as you know, Canva is great for designing YouTube thumbnails as well. So if you click on the YouTube thumbnails here, you have nearly 10,000 of templates you can use. And again, with Canva you can create your branding kit, and you can match your thumbnails, your YouTube intros and outros all in one place in a similar style, just to create your brand presence. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope now you know how you can create your YouTube intro very quickly and easily here on canva.com. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. If you are currently already using canva.com, let me know what you use it for, and if you have any other tips and tricks you would like to share with us, I would love to hear from you. Type them down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. If you would like to see more video tutorials like this, click the subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload new videos, and we do so every single week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Now go ahead and watch this video as a next one, and I will see you there.